What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and we're doing something just in time for the Super Bowl. We're doing beer wings. So let's start this off. We're gonna hit saute. We're gonna get our Instapot nice and hot. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. We're gonna add some chicken wings in there. We're gonna start putting our seasoning on top. So 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and we're gonna put in some salt as well, so 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you can add some more heat if you like, but this is just the basic what you need to actually do this recipe. So we're gonna give that a stir around, get that chicken a little coated. Now the secret is, if you never want to get that burn status on your Instapot, make sure that you always stir and remove any of the loose particles on the bottom. And the other thing is add enough liquid. So I'm going to put in some liquid smoke. This stuff is amazing. I normally have a smoker in the summertime, but in the winter this is what I got. And then I'm going to add my favorite beer. It's going to be a Heineken. So I'm gonna do half a cup of Heineken or whatever your favorite beer is. And then I'm gonna also be adding half a cup of water. I'm gonna go ahead, give that one last stir. I'm gonna go ahead and close our Instapot. And at this point I'm gonna hit manual high pressure for 10 minutes. Close that lid, make sure your vent is completely sealed as well. And before you know it, time is up. We wanna go ahead and do a quick release. Take our lid off, and now we can take out our chicken wings, put them on a pan, get our oven ready, on broil about 450 to 500 degrees. Throw them in the oven for about 5 minutes. And before you know it, you got amazing beer wings, just in time for the big game. So check this out. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you like this video. And thank you for watching.
Please pick the best food. This one. No. Good.